Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker detailing the difficulty of getting needed medical supplies. It is a growing concern for officials nationwide. Here in the St. Louis area, we are checking with hospitals on how the supply shortage is impacting medical professionals in our area. News 4's Alexis Zotos is live tonight outside the emergency room at St. Louis University Hospital, taking a look at how people are trying to help fill the need. Alexis?
Corey, here at SSM Health St. Louis University Hospital, they say they received a donation of goggles and masks from a construction company. Now, right now, all of our local hospitals are telling News 4 that they are good when it comes to the supply of these needed materials. However, that's not stopping St. Louisans from getting creative to help fill what could be a very serious need down the road. That's the sound of a 3D printer making a face shield for those on the front lines battling the coronavirus here in St. Louis.
Just dropped off our first batch.
We video chatted with David Cervantes, a local maker in St. Louis, about the face shields they're creating. About a dozen or so makers are using 3D printers and cutting tools to help fill the void at hospitals in our area. They dropped off their first batch today.
What this film does is actually protects that respirator, that N95 filter, from being contaminated. It prolongs the life of that.
We've heard of the nationwide shortage of face masks. Locally, our hospitals, including SSM Health, Mercy, and BJC, say right now they are okay on supplies. But Smile Brilliant, a St. Louis-based teeth whitening company, is also hearing the call.
What we're trying to do is leverage just our contact, basically, and get it to the people here. It's for us right now, it's an urgent time. I'm talking to professionals that are all in the medical field. I'm talking to friends and family that are in the medical field, and just the point that people don't have masks right now is a serious concern, and so that's where it actually hits me, and I'm like, I have to make a difference right now. So.
They've connected with their suppliers to ship these much-needed N95 masks to St. Louis, launching a fundraising effort.
People are like, look, I want to help, but I don't know how to. This is a way to do it.
And it seems like the desire to help stretches across our community.
I felt like I was not doing enough, that I needed to be doing something.
Megan Hardesty is sewing masks. You've likely seen the call on social media to grab your sewing machine. The patterns are circulating across the internet to make these kinds of face masks.
I've had some nurses from a couple of hospitals that are ER nurses reach out to me personally asking if that's something that I could do for them.
Now, a spokesperson from Mercy Hospital told me today that they can't accept homemade masks because they're not FDA approved. I also reached out to the St. Louis Fire Department. They say if someone had extra sealed store-bought masks, they would take those as a donation. They also tell us they are doing just fine in terms of supplies. Here at St. Louis University Hospital, they say they have been overwhelmed with the generosity of St. Louisans offering to donate material, but they say right now they cannot have anything dropped off here at the hospital at this time, but they'll let the community know if things change down the road. Reporting live, Alexis Zotos, News 4.